Thank you for purchasing the Mini Trooper wire-free security camera. To get started, open the hatch on the camera and insert the 4 batteries that were included in the box. Plug your Ethernet cable into the base station and Wi-Fi router. Plug your base station into a power outlet. Setup could take up to 2 minutes. Adjust the antennas on the base station. Ensure the camera is within 2 feet of the base station. Press the button on the base station and then the camera's sync button. Hold the sync button on the camera for 6 seconds. The LED light will flash blue during this process. The camera will stop flashing blue once it is synced. You may add a total of 6 cameras to the base station while it is flashing blue. In your EZVIZ app, select the plus sign on the top right to add your Mini Trooper base station. Select Scan QR Code. Proceed to scan QR code, which is on the base station Quick Start Guide. Select Add to connect your base station. Set up your time zone and date format. To proceed, select View Camera. For the best experience, please make sure to update your firmware to the latest version. Enjoy using your wire-free Mini Trooper, and thanks again for being a part of the EZVIZ family.